I'm doing this video for the reasons that I to try to bring out the reasons for what you told me. I love artificial intelligence, and one of the reasons why I love artificial intelligence, I had my course of orthopedic medicine that I was doing. Because of the passion of artificial intelligence, I did something that looks risky, but I loved AI. One of the major reasons why I left that course was artificial intelligence. I loved artificial intelligence. I left it last year, and I moved from school last year because of the love. One of the reasons of artificial intelligence, and another reason why that shows how we love my artificial intelligence. I keep reading artificial intelligence and getting updates, information about artificial intelligence. One of the things that I read, I passed through it, was the research, information that is in the research paper of 2017 of Transformers, which is saying attention is all you need, and the information in the research paper of 20 that was in 2025. There's a research paper that was released. That one also I passed through part of it, and that research paper of mixture of recursions, it is showing how to produce a good result, but maintaining what might produce results to produce a good result, but reducing the costs. Because sometimes when you reduce the cost, you end up reducing the quality. It talks about how to maintain quality with the results. That mixture of recursions, reducing the layers, using the router. It is for hard tokens are processed more, and simple tokens are. I read those things without payment. But one of the things that show how we love artificial intelligence is reading it without getting easily tired. Because I love what I do. I'm doing. I don't get easily tired. And I read the transform architecture. I entered it starting from the clean. I studied it through building the steps for building there is data cleaning. There is the tokenizer, building the tokenizer using byte encoding. As you can as is unbridged capacity. I couldn't bridge that. Let me continue. I learned the transform architecture. Use that transformer. Yes, which use attention is all you need. The self-attention mechanism, the attention head is what I passed through it. I've tried to build my language models. Yes, I've tried. I also read about APIs, application programming interfaces. Or I used specifically. I focused on Gemini. There is a problem that I saw in large language model. I tried to solve that problem, whereby large language models, when you tell them, when you ask them a question, even if you don't finish all the required information, they answer you. Whereby sometimes there is information that is very vital, that should be first given to the model for it to give a better answer. But models like ChatGPT, like Gemini, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, they rarely do that, asking you for the remaining information in order for better answering, according to, because different situations have different answering. I connected an API of Gemini. I hope I used Flash because Pro is expensive, and Flash can try at least. Pro is expensive. Gemini 2.5 Flash, I hope I used that one. I connected that API to Telegram. That's a simple thing. Even open and close users, you can be connected to Telegram. It is a simple thing to connect that to what? To Telegram. Whereby when a user asks a question, my bot asks you another question in order to get a clear information, more information, and then it answer you better. Because most people sometimes they don't know some people don't know what is required to put in the question. They just ask questions that are not full. By bot, I made it that when you ask it, it also asks you for the remaining information that's required. The question that to get some information that's required to answer you better. Just to try to solve that problem. For the future, currently people are losing jobs. Oracle previously has made like 30,000. I'm following. I love this thing. I follow it. AI. Oracle has made laid off workers. Just sending an email, yeah, giving them some salary, but it has laid off. Let me say it has laid off workers. But one of the reasons that I hope it has laid off workers, the future I hope it is going in agentic AI. Agentic is taking over. Now I hope somebody who will get a job is that one who knows agentic AI more. Agentic AI, how to talk with agents, how to something like that. Huh? Now, for me, what I hope in the future is to improve, to build those agents, and to build those agents. Agents are entering, even agents are to build those agents. Let me say, my what I'm planning, my future to be a person who builds agents to improve them access to people, and that will help the technology to improve. There is a guy that I saw. He did something that I was planning. I was thinking about to do. Something that he did was related to what I wanted to do. That was Peter Steinberg. I don't know if they have spoken the name very well. But a guy from Australia. He built OpenClaw. Even may want to do that. Seeing the things those ones in the future. Please help me. I left the course because of AI that I was studying.